Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Python for Windows. Okay, we are going to start. Go to google.com and then look for download Python Windows for Windows. So the first link, as you can see here, they say python.org. So you're gonna click on this link. So from here, as you can see, this is the latest version of Python for Windows. Okay, you click download Python. Okay, from here scroll down, keep going down, keep going. As you can see here, they say recommended. Okay, Windows installer, they got the 64-bit and they got the 32-bit. If your Windows is 64-bit, like in my case, you choose this one. Start download. It's downloading. Now it's done downloading. I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna move it this side. So from here, you just add python.x. You can either choose customize your installation, okay, or you can just click install now. It's gonna be installed in Python. As you can see here, they say setup was successfully. So the installation is done. So now we are going to see if this Python have been installed successfully. We are going to run cmd. Just look for cmd. This is the command prompt. Run as administrator. Click yes. I'm gonna type Python space dash v and enter. As you can see here, this means the Python have been installed successfully. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.